शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुम् शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत्।
everyone present here for my grandfather's 80th birthday celebration. Thank you.
I'll start the function traditionally with lighting of the lamp.
Please do the honor by lighting the lamp. Mrs. Brahamline. Mrs. Kamala Subramaniam. Mrs. Rajalakshmi Srinath. Mrs. Shanta Neelkandan. Mrs. Savita. Mrs. Kamath. Mrs. Shanti.
It gives me an immense pleasure to talk about Guruji. I'm sure none present here needs an introduction about Guruji. For those who are curious to know about his younger age, here is a small introduction born to Mr. Venkataraman and Mrs. Rajalakshmi. In a small village, Kalanjinedu in Tamil Nadu, after completing his formal education, he chose to join the Indian Army as he was passionate about serving his country. Due to the amazing leadership qualities, he headed many squadrons and worked his way up to the rank of a major. Ladies and gentlemen, he had the privilege of representing his country in 3 major battles. In 1965 against China and in 1969 and 71 against Pakistan. He emerged a hero after India won the battle and felicitated by the Indian Army for his achievements. He rendered his service to Indian Army for 28 long years, personified with so many qualities, putting me in a fit where to start. Even after retiring from Army, he continued to serve the nation by providing support to many social service organizations, which works for helping the needy and homeless people. Today, even at this age, he continues to guide and help people by his tireless counseling and devoting most of his time to social service with a big smile. At the age of 80, he self-confessed he enjoys the position of Guruji among his followers On this auspicious day of his birthday, I pray to God on behalf of all his well-wishers, relatives, and on the auspicious day, friends, to wish him good health and long life. To you, Mr. Krishnamurti fondly called everyone as Guruji. The next program, Butterflies from Abhinaya Group, has come to enthrall you. Sit back and enjoy dance program by Abhinaya Group. Jyotsna, Sujaya, Sanjana, Pratisha, Shama, Jyotsna, Yashaswini, Tejaswini and Shomili. A big round of applause.
दर्शन दीजो तुम हो जगत के दाता, तुम हो जगत के दाता। आओ गुरुदेवा, आओ गुरुदेवा, दर्शन दीजो तुम हो जगत के दाता।
Mr. Subramaniam, Senior Vice President, UP Group, to come up on the stage and share few thoughts.
I'm legitimately overwhelmed to kind of see the kind of affection bestowed by all of us who are present here and to make this function a great solemn function. It's a great privilege that I had when I was told that he is planning to have this function today, and in fact I was trying to retain myself in spite of some engagement that I had to be out of Bangalore. I didn't want to miss this, and I take a great blessing that I'm with all of you today to stand and pray that may God give him the best of health and all that is good in life to him for the remaining period that is going to stand by us and be giving us all kinds of some comfort, both mentally and psychologically and emotionally. I very affectionately address him as a father, because all that a father can do, he does it to me, and that manner, I am so privileged and proud that I have him around for all that I have to seek his blessings, his directions, and all his commands to an extent. I very regularly go to Shabarimalai, and he makes the point that he is with me from the previous evening, stand through and make sure that I am sent off with all his blessings, that I have never had an occasion so far in the 26 years that I have gone, that I had an occasion, I did not have a good darshan, or I couldn't make the way, or whatever it is. I always used to prize his blessings the most, and I had the privilege to have it for many, many years now. I am sure that all of you would have shared similar kind of affection and his approach to all of your problems in life emotionally, and you have all had occasions to seek his directions and live happily in life. This is what I have enjoyed with him, and I hope and pray and wish that all of you have occasion to do that in the days to come. It is again my prayer unto him that our beloved Sri Krishnamurti, whom I address very affectionately as Appa, shall have all that is best in life and the opportunity for us to assemble like this and to have him as a presiding deity and seek his blessings. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Subramaniam. You have made it to an occasion with your busy schedule. Thank you very much. And may the son and father relationship blossom from accounts manager from Wipro to come up on the stage and share few of his thoughts.
I'll just start with a small shloka. If you want, you can tell along with me. Om Tatpurushaya Vimai Vakradundaya Dhimahi Tanno Nanti Pradodayatu. Thanks for the introduction by Mrs. Savita about our Guruji. We fondly call him as Tata. Okay. As Mr. Subramaniam was telling that we call him as Father, Appa, so we call him as Tata. And as everybody started calling him Guruji, then we also started doing the same. So actually I am a very, very small person here to tell about a great personality like our Tata. But I thought I'll just share some few thoughts about him. Maybe some people may be knowing, some people may not be knowing. See, most of us actually what we used to do is we used to approach some people only when there is a dire need. And you will be pushed to that situation in your life at some point of time or other. So these problems we also share the happiness. Unlike the our pursuits, we always see that we are always a seeker. Okay? We want to achieve something, but we keep just attempting that. But there is somebody who has to tell you that how you have to approach the problem, how you have to mentally prepare yourself. Not because you have some problems because of your what you call maybe fate or whatever you call, but he guides you in a sense that how you are going to orienting yourself or ourselves to whatever you want to achieve. Mrs. Savita, I did not mention that after retirement from military service, his ex-service is a big social cause for the country. He has chosen this path of social service by not only that on his own he is going and contributing to various social organizations and helping them and helping the people who are deprived, but also redirecting all of us, which otherwise also we would have done, but we have done in a very structured way through his help. So he became one of the means for us to see that we are also contributing to the society in small way to achieve. Mrs. Savita, I did not mention that after retirement from military service, his ex-service is a big social cause for the country. He has chosen this path of social service by not only that on his own he is going and contributing to various social organizations and helping them and helping the people who are deprived, but also redirecting all of us, which otherwise also we would have done, but we have done in a very structured way through his help. So he became one of the means for us to see that we are also contributing to the society in small way. Because without his encouragement, we would not have done so much. That's what I personally feel. Maybe others might have done on their own. So I don't want to discount anybody's approach on this. So that is the speciality of our Guruji, where he doesn't expect something for him or his family. Even when he prays to God, he not only prays to the God that his family has to do well, or his family or his grandson, but he prays for all of us, and he commonly calls us Lokashemam. So everybody in this world should live happily. That is what he wants. And whenever you see him, you will say, be happy. That is the first word he will say with a great smile. And he will ask, even if you are in a very bad situation, when you go to him, he will make you feel very good. That is something where you cannot get from all the people. After seeing a person, you will just see why at all you are going and meeting a person. You will never get that image there. Whenever you are going there, you want to meet him again and again. That's what you want to do. So that is the kind of relationship or the stages, what we call, or the attraction what he gives to the people, which very few people in this world can give. In fact, today we are celebrating his 80th birthday. Doesn't mean that we are just celebrating and going off and then forgetting everything. We are going to be under the blessings of Guruji forever, and the days continue to come, as Mr. Subramanian was telling, that we should pray for his good health, to see that he supports everybody here. I want to just tell you that we are fortunate to have a person among us like our Guruji, who has supported us in many ways in terms of mentally preparing, or whatever way you want to face your situation, or how you want to celebrate your happiness. So he has sincerely, when you do the japam or meditation, because when we call meditation, we just say it is only a meditation, but it is very difficult to do a japam where you are growing closer to the God, which on behalf of all of us, we went very close to the God to see that how everybody has to live in this world. So that can be done only by a few people who have practiced the japam, which I think many of us, many of our people, worldly people will understand that. So I wish him long and good, healthy life to bless us in future and continue to support us. And I just want to conclude this. If you want to join me with this common sloka: Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti.
active service is highly appreciated. Thank you very much. We have Guru Puja organized by Mr. Chandrasekhar, Mrs. Sai Marketing, Vijayanagar.
Om Namah Pranavardhaya Siddharthanaikarupine Nirmalaya Prajantaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Ekshadamamamate Yojurvan Dashame Yuge Apamatthai Yatinam Brahma Bhavati Saratihe Ekshadamamamate Yamamate Dirghadamamamate Yojurvan Mamate Om Yoga Veda Yoga Ayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Akshirva Apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yoga Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Apova Akshirayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate समर्पयामि वस्त्रार्थोपरि ओम गणानां गणपति पद्म शरीरं जय जय गणपति पाद नमस्ते गजमुखवक्त्रं गिरिजापुत्रं गणकुलमित्रं गणपतिमेशसुतं सफलितपद्मर्गणगिरिजानमिधा दत्तगणगिरिजानमिधा लंबोदरवर सुंदर दुरकृति कुंकुमव नदर श्वेत शृंगं मोदक हस्त प्रीतितपन सपनो नयनत्रयवर नाग विभूषित नाना गणपतित दत्त नाना गणपतित धवलित जलधर धवलित चंद्र मणिमणि किरण विभूषित खड्गो हर हर शिव सुत गणपति रमय ओम भूः महागणपति महावाहयामि ओम भुवः महागणपति महावाहयामि ओम स्वः महागणपति महावाहयामि ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः महागणाधिपतये समर्पयामि अग्नयोः अर्घ्यमर्घ्यं समर्पयामि मुखे आत्मनीयं समर्पयामि तपयामि स्नानाङ्गमात्मनीयं शुद्धोदकस्नानं समर्पयामि ओम अक्षतां समर्पयामि पुष्पैर्पोदयामि ओम विनायकाय नमः धीरप्रियाय नमः अग्निकरवत्सवे नमः इंद्रस्यप्रदाय नमः वाणीमलप्रदाय नमः सर्वसिद्धिप्रदाय नमः सर्वतनयाय नमः सर्वात्मिकाय नमः सुष्टिहस्ते नमः देवालयार्थाय नमः शिवाय नमः शुद्धाय नमः बुद्धिप्रियाय नमः शान्ताय नमः ब्रह्मचारिणे नमः गजाननाय नमः त्रैमातुराय नमः मुनिसुक्ताय नमः भक्तविघ्नविनाशकाय नमः एकदन्ताय नमः चतुराय नमः गजकर्णिकाय नमः लंबोदराय नमः शिवात्मजाय नमः दुप्रवर्णाय नमः विकटाय नमः विघ्ननाथाय नमः स्वामिनः सदा नानाविध परिमलवस्त्रमोहर कविराकृत संयुक्तं धूपाय मृतहङ्करा धूपमाग्रापयामि भाजः ओम जलं निवेदयामि सत्यं सत्येन प्रतिष्ठामृतमृतमुक्त अमृतावत्रमदे स्वाहा ओम प्राणाय स्वाहा ज्ञानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा संप्राणाय स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा स्वामिनः नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात् नमस्ते गणपतये तमेव प्रत्यक्षं दत्तमसे त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासे त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासे त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासे त्वमेव सर्वं कविदं ब्रह्मासे साक्षादात्मा सत्यं वादोचारोशिष्यं स्वपश्चात्तात् अपरस्तात् अवधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वमानमयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः ज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं तत्त्वो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं तत्त्वो तिष्ठते सर्वं जगदिदं तपः